Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B lead capture, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager website. Log into your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Advertise option at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. If this is your first time using Campaign Manager, select Create Account. Fill in the required fields such as company name and LinkedIn page. After creating your account, you will be directed to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin setting up your campaign. Select your campaign objective from the options presented, such as lead generation. Choose the target audience for your campaign by setting parameters like location, industry, and company size. Once your audience is defined, you can select the ad format that best suits your campaign. Options include sponsored content, message ads, and more. After selecting your ad format, upload your creative assets, including images and videos. In the ad setting, input compelling ad copy that clearly states your offer. Include a strong call to action to encourage clicks. Next, set your budget and choose whether you want to pay per click or per impression. Decide on the campaign duration by selecting start and end dates. Review all the settings for accuracy before finalizing your campaign. Click Launch Campaign to activate your lead capture initiative. Monitor your campaign's performance through the analytics features in Campaign Manager. Make adjustments as necessary based on the data you collect. Consider A/B testing different ad formats and audiences to optimize results. Use the insights gained to refine your future campaigns for better lead capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.